Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Sembly AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sembly.ai, and what's Sembly all about? Well, it's the #1 AI note taker for professional. Sharpest AI notes, clearest actions, brilliant outcomes, and you can come here to try it free or to book a demo. We can see here, trusted by these different companies, top companies choose Sembly to unlock AI meeting intelligence. 1 million plus professional meetings attended and analyzed. 10,000 plus business teams rely on Sembly Notes worldwide. Data residency option for global flexibility and identified as an emerging visionary in AI tools by Gartner. Turn meetings into action with an AI note taker that records, transcribes, generates high quality summaries, and extracts key insights. And if you are interested in taking advantage of Sembly AI, you can come here to Sembly AI and try it for free. If we click on the button here at the top right hand corner, then you can see here that we have monthly or annual, and you have the free version, which offers a one-time welcome bonus and 60 minutes per month of online recording, 60 minutes per month upload, AI notes, AI tasks, AI meeting chat and automations. And then you're looking at the professional version for $15 a month, the team version at $29 per month. And then there's the enterprise, which is custom, and you'll want to contact sales for more information on that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to start. And if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. It's a great deal. Simply Financial is a wonderful bank and comes highly recommended.